In this question, you have to point out the option that includes the examples of organisms which have evolved due to changes in environment brought about by anthropogenic action. Now, Darwin's finches of the Galapagos Islands. It is incorrect. Darwin's finches are example of natural evolution due to natural environmental factors like food availability, climate, and not due to human influence. Herbicide resistant weeds. This is an correct example. The widespread use of herbicides in agriculture has led to the evolution of weeds that are resistant to these chemicals. Thus, it is showing evolution due to human impact. Drug resistant eukaryotes. This is also a correct example. These includes pathogens like drug resistant malaria parasites or fungi that have evolved resistant to medications. Man created breeds of domesticated animals like dogs. Now, this is also a correct example. Domesticated breeds of animals, especially dogs, are a result of human directed selective breeding over thousands of years. Because humans have intentionally selected certain traits, leading to the vast variety of dog breeds as we see it today. So, this is certainly an example of evolution by human interference. Hence, the correct answer is option A.